You bought a box at an estate sale or inherited one, and there's a recipe box or a community cookbook full of handwritten cards. Somebody's grandmother's handwriting, signed, sometimes dated, often with a note in the margin. It sounds like the thinnest lead in the world. It's better than it looks. Community cookbooks are the key. Churches, schools, and auxiliaries publish them as fundraisers constantly, and every recipe is attributed by name, usually a married name, often with the town. That's a dated roster of a community, printed and bound, and many have been digitized. If you have the printed book, you have a list of names tied to one organization in one town in one year. Work that. Handwritten cards are harder but not empty. They're signed, they name the giver, and the note in the margin names a relationship, from Aunt Ruth for Betty's shower, 1962. That's a family fragment with a date. The estate is the strongest lead, as always. The sale had an address, the address had an owner, the owner has an obituary, and the obituary lists the survivors. Who are the people whose grandmother wrote those cards? People will drive a long way for their grandmother's handwriting. It's one of the few things a family genuinely can't replace. People Locator Skip Tracing has been finding families since 2004.